Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to add a subscribe button on your YouTube Shorts. So to start, we'll have to go first on my YouTube account. And then here, let's click on the profile icon at the top. And then go to your channel. And then let's click on the YouTube Shorts. And then here, let's click on a video. And then as you can see, I don't have the subscribe button here. It only says analytics. So to change that to the subscribe button, we'll have to go back to my profile account. And in here on my profile account, let's click on the option turn on incognito. After turning on your incognito, just go to the search bar at the top. And then let's type my channel, Wixie Angel. And then let's click on a video. So as you can see here, I already have the subscribe button. It is now changed from analytics to the subscribe button. So that's how you add a subscribe button on your YouTube Shorts. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.